Kungaloosh Adventures, Ryan here for TMR Tours. Today we are going to look at some Mexican food around Disneyland on their entire property. We tried various locations for some Mexican food while we were in Anaheim, California at Disneyland. First up was Tortilla Jo's in downtown Disney. A fun feature here that we really enjoyed was the live guacamole service where they made it right next to the table. All the food was really good. They had burritos, tortilla soup, enchiladas, nachos, the works. Anything you want, they had it there at Tortilla Jo's. Next up is Cocina Cucamonga at the Pacific Wharf in California Adventure. Here we sampled the street tacos, one of TMR's favorite Mexican dishes, and they were phenomenal. They feature 3 different style meats, and each one had a different flavor style. Last on the list is Rancho del Zocalo in the back of Frontierland in Disneyland. One of the things we want to feature here is the tortilla bowl. It was an amazingly huge salad, and you could mix it up and share it amongst multiple people. The enchiladas were great, as well as the street tacos, but that tortilla bowl was really the star of our visit. Also, a great thing to note is they have a lot of outdoor seating with covered shade, and it is one of the eateries closest to the entrance to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. That's a look at some of the eateries we tried for Mexican food in both parks as well as downtown Disney.
Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour. Have any questions or suggestions for future videos? Leave them in the comments below.
Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when future videos are posted.
Stay connected on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget to check out our blog on tmr-tours.com.
We'll see you on another adventure.
Kungaloosh.